Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a clean with me and decorate for Halloween. Today's video is in collaboration with Brittany Ann. I am so excited to be doing this collab with her. She is such a sweet mama. We actually became friends on Instagram and she is just amazing. I'm going to leave all her channel information and video information in the description box below. You guys make sure you go check out her channel. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. She is hilarious, and if you want to have someone to have fun with, she is your girl. So if you guys are from Brittany's channel, thank you so much for coming over. Please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Snaggletooth. The chevron pumpkin I got from Kirkland's last year, and Little Monsters Live Here, that was from Marshall's about 2 years ago. Now you guys will see me just try to move things around and see how I like it. Here's the thing you saw from the Target dollar spot. Told you I was sick. I'm actually going to put that in my kitchen. That is so cute to me. I will link that video above. Why I told you I love this little thing, little tombstone, so much. So go and watch that video after this one. So I'm just going to try to put this little spot in my kitchen together as well. There's a little Boo pumpkin from the Target dollar spot, and the spider is from Walmart last year. Everything is from last year except for the Target dollar spot stuff. So this is how I have it set up so far. I like it. I think it's really cute. I'm now going to put together a little something here in the entryway. All of my fall stuff that I have that I'm not going to use during the Halloween time, I will just put back in the Halloween bin. And then when I put all the Halloween decorations away, I'll put those back up for November. I leave my seasonal decor out until the day of or the day after the season is over. So. Now I'm going to come outside and put together a little something on my front porch. My front porch is one of my favorite things to decorate for the seasons. So I'm just going to put away some of the more neutral, brightly colored pumpkins in the bin. And I'm putting this, I don't know what you call it, but you see the little orange and black swag like decor there under the pumpkins. And then the one in the wood bin as well. I purchased those from Joann's last year for 90% off. Always shop after season, you guys. It is the best time to get some of your holiday decor unless you absolutely love it and can't live without it. So this is the finished product. If you guys remember in my fall decor video, I had that happy fall y'all, the wooden tags. On the other side of that was boo y'all, and that is what I hung right there on the door. I took the regular fall wreath down. So I love those tags because they're multi-purpose. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me. I hope it gave you some good ideas on how to decorate your house for Halloween. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my little family here. I appreciate each and every one of you, so I really hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel and joining me on this journey. Let me know in the comments below how you guys decorate for Halloween, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!